Hello everyone. It's Maddie with SpectrumArtCreations.com, and today I'm continuing to work on our 10 days of Fall-Aween Stash Buster Challenge. We are hosting a challenge which gives you 10 prompts for you to create either a fall or a Halloween project. It could be anything you would like. You can use anything in your stash, from paints to inks to paper pads to embellishments to ephemera. You name it, you got it. Any other substrate as well. You can do tags, pockets, journal pages, ATCs, pocket letters, greeting cards, anything you want. The sky is the limit. So I did prompt number 1 already. If you missed that video, I'll link it in the box down below in the description. But today I'm going to be working on orange and purple, which is prompt number 2. Now, you do not have to work these in any specific order. You can jump around any numbers you'd like. You can do 1, you can do 2, 5, 8. Why not? Go for all 10, because that is part of the fun. It's to bust out all the stuff that we have had and had kind of been hoarding, like this. This line right here is a retired line, discontinued. It's called The Magic of Oz from Graphic 45, and it's got gorgeous oranges and purples, which I thought would be perfect to use for today's project. Now, I have good news. This line is coming back. It's being re-released from the vaults, so we will definitely have it in stock. So it was perfect for me to break it out because I kind of been hoarding it for quite a few years, and I thought, you know what, this is what this challenge is all about. It's breaking out all those things that we've been kind of holding on to, and now is the time to create. So super quick fun projects. They don't have to be elaborate. They could be a 5-minute project, they could be a 5-hour project, whatever is fits within your schedule, you go for it. Okay, without further ado, I'm going to let you actually create along with me. So grab your orange and your purple or any of your other favorite prompts, and let's go to work. And with a few quick splatters, we are done. It's as simple as that. Under 30 minutes, that's what I'm giving myself every day to just craft along and make something. It doesn't have to be super elaborate. It could be as big or as small as you like. My page is done. Super fun, layered Wizard of Oz themed. Don't forget to join in the challenge. Pick a prompt, any of the 10, and just create. Have fun with it, guys, because that's what it's all about, using all the stuff in our stash and having fun. Make sure you post your pictures in the Facebook group, Spectrum Art Creation Friends, so you can also check out what everybody else is posting as well. All the items featured in this video, plus thousands more, are available in our online store, spectrumartcreations.com. We certainly do appreciate your support. We hope that you'll check it out. Also, don't forget to hit that like button, like the video, as well as share it out with your friends, because the more the merrier, and the more comments we have, the more gift card giveaways we'll do. So make sure you leave a comment so you can be included in the giveaways. Also, if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified of whenever we go live or have new videos. And I'm going to leave another video here at the end. Go ahead and click on that link. It helps the channel, as well as we will continue to craft along together. I'll see you there. Bye.